Welcome to Bedtime Japanese. Tonight, let's listen closely to a secret melody hidden beneath the moss. Our first word means water.
水水水水
Let's hear it in a sentence.
水が流れます
Near the entrance of a traditional tea house sits a stone basin where guests wash their hands. Beneath it lies the Suikinkutsu, an upside-down jar buried in the earth. Our next word means stone.
石石
Let's hear it in a sentence.
丸い石を置きます
When a single drop of water falls through the pebbles into the jar below, it echoes like a gentle bell. Plink, plonk. The sound is meant to calm the mind. This word means sound.
音音音音
Let's hear it in a sentence.
きれいな音がします
You cannot see the instrument playing this delicate music. You can only close your eyes and appreciate the quiet harmony it brings to the afternoon. Our next word means quiet.
静か静か
Let's hear it in a sentence.
とても静かです
In the stillness, the hidden water harp sings its lullaby, washing away the worries of the day and inviting peaceful rest. Our final word means heart or mind.
心心
Let's hear it in a sentence.
心が落ち着きます
May the gentle sound of the water harp soothe your thoughts tonight. Sleep well and sweet dreams.
おやすみなさい